ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अस्तु, today first I'll share a document which I have prepared just to understand where we stand. Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Now, first lesson is Aksharani, Gunitaksharani, then Vartamana Kalaha, Sahataute, Ayam, Imau, Ime. These are the topics covered in the first lesson or first booklet. Bandhuvachaka Shabdaha, Kaha iti Prashnarthaka Shabdaha. So I think you are all perfect in this. There is no doubt about how to go. Then second lesson is Madhyama Purushaha, Tvam Yuyam. Then Uttama Purushaha, Aham Vayam. Then Kriya Padani, Pathati, Gachati, Ityadayaha. Then Samyuktaksharani. This also you are perfect. Then Sankhyaha. Then Upanishad, they only you have to mention their names. Ishakena Katha, Prashna, Munda, Mandukya, Tittiri, Aitareya, Chandogya, and Brihadaranyakam. Then Darshanani, Tesham Bhedani, and their names, Darshanas, Astika Darshanani, Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Purvamimamsa, Uttaramimamsa. Then Nastika Darshanani, Charvaka, Jaina, Bauddha. पुनः बौद्ध दर्शनस्य चत्वारः विभागः सौत्रान्तिकः वैभाषिकः माध्यमिक शून्यवादः योगाचारः विज्ञानवादः. Only you have to mention their names, that's all. Yes.
Madam, what is all this? You're just mentioning them for us to.
Yes, no. Some of the people are feeling still so many videos are to be covered. How will we do? There is very less time to appear for the exam. So I thought with this, they will know where they stand.
So, no, I still don't understand. So these are
topics in the book. Topics in the book, each lesson.
Pravesha book?
Yes. Yeah. These are the topics. These are only mentioned actually. You are not going to go in very detail about these things. Then third book is Vartamana Kalaha Atmanepadi. Latlakaraha. Kampate, Kampante. Then in this Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha also. Yate etamahe like this. Then Sankhyaha up to 50. Then Palya Jantavaha, Ajaha, Gauhu, Ityadayaha. So these things you can do. I don't think it's a difficult task. And then Puranani, Tesham Namani. This is Matsya Puranam, like that list is there. No? That I have not covered the entire list. Only you have to go through this. Then Shastrani, Tesham Namani. Alankara Shastram, Vyakarana Shastram, Tarka Shastram, then Purva Mimamsa, then Uttara Mimamsa. Okay. In Alankara Shastram, Dvanyalokaha, Rasagangadharaha, Sahitya Darpanam. Vyakarana Shastram is Ashtadhyayi, Siddhanta Kaumudi, Mahabhashyam. Tarkashastram is Nyaya Sutrani, Nyaya Manjari, Tattva Chintamani. Purvamimamsa is Jaimini Sutrani, Tattva Vartikam, Shabara Bhashyam. Uttaramimamsa is Brahma Sutrani, Upanishada, Bhagavad Gita. Only you have to mention them. Nothing in detail will be asked. Then time. This also you know. Kaha samayaha, kada karyam karoti, all those things. Then adyashvaha, idanim, yaha, parashvaha. This also you know. Kaha vasaraha. This also you know. Fourth book is dealing with lang lakaraha, parasmaipadi. Akredat, akredan, and this is Prathama Purusha, then Madhyama Purusha, and Uttama Purusha. Then lang lakaraha atmanepadi. This also we have done. Avandata, avandanta, and same Uttama, up to Uttama Purusha. Then Sankhyaha, 51 to 100. This also is covered. Then Sakarmakaha, Akarmakaha, Shariravayabaha, Kati ityasya prayogaha. So these things you all have practiced well. And then fifth one is Lot Lakaraha, Parasmaipadi. And Atmanepadi also is covered in fifth book. That we will do today. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti Rupani, Sarvanama Shabdaha, Kim Etad Yushmad Asmat in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Then Adhiparitaha ityasya upayogaha. When we use this Adhiparitaha along with Vas Dhatu, Vasati. Vasati, usually we will use Saptami Vibhakti. When Adhiparitaha, Ubhayataha, such words come, then you will use it along with Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's what it means. Then Lekhana Samagri, Tesham Namani. And then Sma ityasya upayogaha. That also we have done. Then Rit Lakaraha, Bhavishyat Kalaha, Parasmaipadi has been covered. Atmanepadi we have to do. Okay. Then Tritiya Vibhakti, Sarvanama Shabdaha. Tritiya Vibhakti in Sarvanama Shabdaha. Then Avyayani. This also is covered. Chet, no chet, all these things are over. Griha Vibhagaha. Katham ityasya upayogaha. Then Vargiya Vyanjanasya, Panchamaksharam, when they are joining, that I'll explain later. So whether to use the, which letter should be used when they come along with some other Vargiya Vyanjanam. Then Tavatu Pratyayaha. This also is covered. Gatavan, Gatavantau, Gatavantaha. Then Tavatu Strilinga, Gatavati, Gatavatyaha. Then Chaturthi Vibhakti. Niyamaha, then Sarvanama Shabdaha along with Chaturthi Vibhakti. Upasargaha. This also has been covered. Gruhopakaranani. Then Drishya Kavyam, Shravya Kavyam, Rupakani, Mahakavyani, Prasiddhani, Gadya Kavyani. And these things you can learn in a day. Then Api, Iti, Eva, Ataha, Cha, Yataha, how to use these. This also has been covered. Pratyayaha, Kreditva, Pathitva, like Tva Pratyayaha, then Lyap Pratyayaha. Parihrutya, Svikritya, Ityadaya. This also has been covered. Then Panchami Vibhakti, Niyamaha, and how to use them in Sarvanama Shabdaha. Then Taha, Itaha, Utaha, all those things. Vyavaharika Shabdaha, Phalani. Then Kimartham, Putra, Kutaha, Ityetesham, Prayogaha. Then here Pratyayaha will be Pathitum, Tuman Pratyayaha. Then Bhavadyotaka Shabda, Purvam Anantaram, this also has been covered. Shashti Vibhakti, Sarvanama Shabdaha, Kada ityas, then Saptakakaraha. these also have been covered. Then Kriya Pada Vicharaha, Lakaraha. And briefly they have talked about these things in under this topic. Okay. Then these tiptas G, they are actually pratyayas. They come when we do this prakriya part. So you need not worry about this too much. This doesn't come at this stage. Like Rama, how the Pratipadika Rama becomes Ramaha. For that you have to add Su, Suaujas. Okay, that is for Subantas. This is for Tingantas. That is Kriyapadas. That is Bhavati. Bhavati ityukte, this tip will be added, and this Pakara goes, and all those things, they are not explained here. Only they are mentioned. Okay. Then Lring Lakaraha has been covered. Dasha Ganaha you have to mention, that's all. Then Saptami Vibhaktihi Niyamaha Sarvanama Shabdaha. Then Sambodhana Vibhaktihi. Then Shakani Tesham Namani. 11th book is only Shabda Manjari, nothing else. Then 12th book is only question papers. So this is what I prepared this so that you can, I'll share this with you. You can go through this and see where you stand. Okay. Then today we will do one more exercise I wanted to do with this along with let me increase the size. Can you all see the screen now?
Yes.
This is you do one round of Karmani Prayoga with these sentences. This is the story of Dilipa, King Dilipa. So I thought we will do this way also, so that Kartari to Karmani you have to do. Each one sentence. Astu. Ajay Mahodaya will start.
Ten
Saha Prajaha Palayati.
Sah Prajaha Palayati. Tena Prajaha Palyante. Palyante.
Then Krishna Mahodaya.
Saha Prajanam Kastam Nivarayati. Ena Prajanam Kastam Nivarayante.
Kashtam. See, always this is when you are doing it into Karmani, you have to look at whether this is this Karma Padam is in Prathama Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam. Okay.
Ena Prajanam Kastam Nivaryam.
Nivaryate.
Sorry. Nivaryate.
Parameshwaran Mahodaya अस्ति वा?
नास्तु मां प्रजाः तं पूजयन्ति प्रजेभ्यः सः पूज्यते
प्रजाभिः शुक्तं नो
अच्छा स्त्रीलिंग है प्रजाभ्याम प्रजाभिः
हाँ
सह पूज्यते
हाँ प्रजाभिः सह पूज्यते हाँ सरस्वती महोदय
दानवाः देवलोकम् आगच्छन्ति दानवाः then it will be दानवैः देवलोकः
आगम्यते
आगमिष्यति
आगम्यते
आगम्यते
ते देवान् पराजयन्ते. So that would be taihi devaah
parajiyante.
How do you know, how does one know how to change this parajiyante?
You share that rules of
You have to go through that rule, go to the root. It is very important to know the root, so that helps.
Madam, have you shared that rules for changing?
Yes.
Changing where it is in the drive? It is in the drive.
No, that along with your homework I had shared. I don't know whether it has reached
It's not
you.
there, right?
Huh?
It's not there.
Not there. Okay, then I'll share it today.
This is parajiyante.
Yes. Parajiyante. Yes.
पराजिताः देवाः खेदम् अनुभवन्ति like पराजितैः
this part okay
पराजितैः देवैः खेदः अनुभूयते.
Why is it devaihi? Parajitaihi devaihi?
The khedam is experienced by the devas.
ते दिलीपस्य साहाय्यं प्रार्थयन्ते तैः दिलीपस्य साहाय्यं प्रार्थयन्ते
साहाय्यं प्रार्थ्यते तैः दिलीपस्य will stay as it is. तैः दिलीपस्य साहाय्यं प्रार्थ्यते. साहाय्यं won't change.
Okay.
दिलीपः देवलोकं गच्छति. दिलीपेन देवलोकः गम्यते.
सः दानवान् संहरति. सः तेन दानवाः
संह्रियन्ते. ह्रीहरणे is the dhatu, isn't it? संह्रियन्ते.
Hru dhatu, right? No?
ह्रीहरणे संह्रियन्ते.
Some is a prefix. Samhriyante because hiyate, right? Because of the danavaha. Oh,
danavaha. Danavaha is bahuvachanam, atah hriyante.
Saha danavasainyam. Saha danavasainyam purnataha vinashayati. Tena danavasainyam
सैन्यमेव
दानवसैन्यं पूर्णतः
विनाश्यते
तस्मात् सन्तुष्टाः देवाः दिलीपं श्लाघन्ते तस्मात् सन्तुष्टैः देवैः दिलीपः श्लाघन्ते कथम् श्लाघ्यते
दिलीपः इति एकवचनं किल अतः श्लाघ्यते.
So tasmat will be tasmat.
There is no change. See, only kartari, this kartari prayogam needs to be changed to karmani prayogam.
So santushtaha is for devaha, right?
Yes.
Kaha santushtaha? Kidrusha devaha is santushtaha devaha, right?
Santushtaha, santushtaihi devaihi, isn't it?
Santushtaihi devaihi. Dilipaha. So what is that we are converting? Karmani prayoga?
Yes.
Kartari to karmani.
Kartari to karmani.
Karmani.
Need to understand this. That I haven't learned yet.
So kartari here is what? Subject, right? Kartari is subject.
So devaha, leave these things. This tasmat santushtaha, we leave them. Only take this devaha dilipam shlaghante. Devas praise Dilipa. So Dilipa is praised by the Devas. So that's what we are saying here. Isn't it? Clear?
So shlagante, what does that convert to?
Shlaghyate. Dilipaha shlaghyate.
Shlaghyate.
This is in which chapter in this book?
No, it's not there in the book.
No, not this one, but that concept, the topic.
No, Kartari Prayoga. Last week we have done. Same thing, some extra practice only. It's not there in that book.
I'm just trying to learn how to convert the Kriya Pada.
Yeah, it's not for Pravesha exam.
No, this will help you in the exam. See, Kartari to Karmani, you need more practice, isn't it? All the other things you can manage. So I thought I'll prepare some more and give you more practice. That's what I felt. If we practice like this for more, another 2 classes, you will understand this Kartari to Karmani very well. Then you will not have difficulty. Okay, next one.
Devendraha Dilipaya Ardhasanam Dadati. Devendrena Dilipaha Ardhasanam Dadati becomes
Diyate.
Oh, Diyate.
Dadati becomes Diyate.
Devendrena Dilipaha Ardhasanam Diyate.
Sarve Devaha.
No, Ardhasanam remains Ardhasanam.
Yes.
So no. Why
Asanam.
No, Dilipaya. Why? What did he change?
Devendrena
Dilipaha will come.
Ardhasanam
Diyate.
Because of the Dadati, there is Chaturthi Vibhakti, Dilipaya. So we are converting Devendraha to Tridya Vibhakti. Devendrena. Then this should become, because this should become the subject. Dilipaha. Ardhasanam दीयते
दीयते
सर्वे देवाः कृतज्ञतां समर्पयन्ति सर्वैः देवैः कृतज्ञता समर्प्यते
समर्प्यते सम्यक्
देवप्रभु प्रमुखाः तस्मै वरं यच्छन्ति
समर्प्यते और समर्प्यन्ते
समर्प्यते एव कृतज्ञता एकवचनं किल
Oh, कृतज्ञता okay.
You must always pay attention to the karma padam while doing karmani prayoga.
Yes, ma'am.
देवप्रमुखैः तस्मै सः वरं will be varam only, right? Varam
Varaha
यच्छते
varam
वरः यच्छते
Why is it varam? Varam is a napumsaklinga. Varam, varani. Varaha is not pumlinga, I guess.
Varam is it?
Varaha ityeva aham manye.
Varam, I mean varani, that
Varam.
multiple words.
Varaha dadati. Let me check. I'll check this.
What is Varaha?
Boom.
boon
Boon. Wow. किंतु दिलीपः वरान् न अंगीकरोति.
Varaha is pulling shabdam.
Yes.
then it's varan is here, so
Varaha eva. That's what I remember.
Varaha pulling shabdam.
So kintu
I've answered the rest of the question paper somewhere.
so kintu dilipena varaha na angikrityate
Angikryate. Kriyante. Sorry. Varaha iti bahuvachanam kila. Ataha angikryate.
varaha na angikryante.
Angikryante.
भवन्तः मम राज्यं समृद्धं कुर्वन्तु
Actually, there is no leave these two. These two are not required. Esha eva.
एषा एव अपेक्षा मम.
This also you give up. Go to the next one. Devaha.
देवाः तस्य उदारतां प्रशंसन्ति. देवैः सह उदारतां
Udarata. Tasya only will come.
देवैः तस्य उदारता
प्रशस्यते. Udarata prashasyate.
What does this mean? Udarata. What is
Kindness.
Yeah.
See, the gods wanted to give him some boons, but he said, "No, I don't want your boons," because he wanted something else for his kingdom, not for his personal this thing. So they praised him. Tasya udaratam prashamsanti. That will become devaihi tasya udarata prashasyate.
So no, what is the meaning of udarata?
That is kindness.
Kindness. Kindness?
Or I think
character like
broad-mindedness. Broad-mindedness.
you can give easily.
To let go.
Gunam means giving easily.
Oh, generosity?
Generosity, yes. Generosity.
That's what Karna's quality.
Who is Karna?
कर्णकः
Supposed to be a half brother of Pandavas.
अस्तु
दिलीपः सर्वान् देवान् प्रणमति दिलीपेन सर्वान् देवान् दिलीपेन सर्वान् देवान् दिलीपेन सर्वाः देवाः प्रणमति becomes प्रणश्यते प्रणम्यन्ते okay
हरिप्रिया जी, it will be सर्वे देवाः और सर्वाः देवाः.
हाँ, सर्वे देव, सर्वे, yes, सर्वे देवाः, because it is पुल्लिङ्गं किल, सर्वे देवाः.
okay
देवाः आशीर्वादं कुर्वन्ति देवैः आशीर्वादः क्रियते.
अस्तु वा? So this was one thing. Then
Half mark.
What?
What is half mark?
I can write half of the sentence correct. I don't know the verb.
Oh no, I will do well.
Saraswati ji, you are better. I am 0. Shunyam.
No.
What is the pass mark
You
in
are
the exam?
doing very well.
55 or 20?
See, when we wrote, we didn't have this much preparation. Now we are going so well prepared.
Parameshwaran ji, you are at a different level.
No, when I wrote the exam, no, I didn't have this much practice even. So you have got a lot of practice. That is very makes a very good beginning.
You are so kind.
Sure, you will all become very high marks. Not that difficult.
Definitely.
Now,
very well.
We can't even start studying. When we start studying, we will get it.
I
have the confidence.
अपि आगतवान्.
Pass the exam.
विलम्बः जातः महोदय?
अहं निद्रामि.
विलम्बेन उत्तिष्ठवान्.
विलम्बेन उत्तिष्ठवान्.
विलम्बेन उत्तिष्ठवान्. विलम्बेन निद्रामि, सो विलम्बेन उत्तिष्ठवान्.
निद्रितवान्, विलम्बेन निद्रितवान्, अतः विलम्बेन उत्थितवान्.
आमां, विलम्बेन निद्रितवान्, अतः विलम्बेन.
अस्तु, now लोट् लकारः परस्मैपदी, you all know very well. Do we need revision in that?
Of sentences. Load lakara is
गच्छतु.
Command. Gachatu. Gachata.
Okay, we will do one revision, quick revision, then
49th video is Lot Lakara, right? Starts with that.
No, 50. Yes.
Now watching the video. I'm not getting time.
49th video, yes.
Frame sentences using this.
Likhatu. Okay. Ajay Mahathir.
Likhatu. रामः लिखतु.
रामः पाठं लिखतु, something, some big.
Okay. रामः लेखं लिखतु. रामौ लेखं लिखताम्. रामाः लेखं लिखन्तु. त्वं, it will be wonderful.
त्वं लिख.
एकं लिख.
त्वं लेखं लिख.
लिख.
युवां, sorry, त्वं लेखं लिख. युवां लेखं लिखतं. यूयं लेखं लिखत. अहं लेखं लिखामि. आवां लेखं लिखाव. वयं लेखं लिखामः।
अनिल महोदय।
वहतु 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 means float,
To carry.
Carry. भारवाहः
भारवाहः भारवाहः भारवाहः
भारम
पेटिकां
पेटिकां
पेटिकां वहतु भारवाहौ पेटिकां multiple I can पेटिकाओ
पेटिका पेटिके पेटिका स्त्रीलिंगम पेटिके
पेटिके वहतात्
नो वहतु और वहतात् इट इज एकवचनमेव.
Oh, okay. I thought it is vahtat. No, correct.
Had to put a slash there.
Yeah. भारवाहो पेटिके वहतां भारवाहः पेटिकानि वहन्तु.
पेटिकाः पेटिका पेटिके पेटिकाः.
Oh, स्त्रीलिंग पेटी भारवाह पेटिका पेटिका पेटिके पेटिकाः वहन्तु.
भारवाहः
भारवाहः पेटिकाः वहन्तु. त्वं पेटिका वह युवां पेटिके वहतं युवां यूयं पेटिकाः वहत. अहं पेटिका वहामि.
पेटिकां should come, no?
पेटिकां अहं पेटिकां वहामि. ओके द्वितीय विभक्ति पेटिका करेक्ट. आवां पेटिके वहाव वयं पेटिकाः वहामः.
Havatu. Havatu means running, right?
Run.
Havatu. बालकः सम्यक् धावतु. बालकैः सम्यक् धावताम्. बालके
बालकैः न बालकः बालकौ.
Balaka. Okay, going back to lesson 1. Balakau samyak dhavatam. Balakaah samyak dhavantu. Tvam samyak dhava. Yuvam samyak dhavatam. Yuyam samyak dhavata. Aham samyak dhavani. Vayam सम्यक् धावाव.
आवाम धावाव.
अहम् आवां सम्यक् धावाव. अहम् आवां वयं सम्यक् धावाम.
गायतु. गायिका गीतं गायतु. गायिके गीतं गायताम्. बालिकाः गीतं गायन्तु. त्वं गीतं गाय. युवां गीतं गायतं. युवां गीतं गायत. अहं गीतं गायामि. आवां गीतं गायाव. वयं गीतं गायामः.
भवान् पत्रं पठतु. भवन्तौ पत्रे
पत्रं
Patram patri, right?
Napumsakalingam. Napumsakalingam. Yes, is correct.
Bhavantau patre patatam. Bhavantah patrani patantu. Tvam patram patha. Yuvam patre patatam. Yuyam patrani patata. Aham patram patani. Avam patre patava. Vayam patrani patama.
सः प्रश्नं पृच्छतु तौ प्रश्नं पृच्छतां ते प्रश्नं पृच्छन्तु त्वं प्रश्नं पृच्छ युवां प्रश्नं पृच्छतं यूयं प्रश्नं पृच्छ.
Oh, there is a typing error. I'll correct it later.
Pृच्छत, right?
Yes.
Okay. Aham prashnam pृच्छामि, avam prashnam पृच्छाव, vayam prashnam पृच्छाम.
So the madhyama purusa ekvachanam, even that could be something like gachatat, right?
Yes. Yeah. It depends on the case, I think. If it is a request or order, it is used for both, no? So it depends on the case.
Okay. So which one is for request? Which one is for order?
No, gachatu is like
Order.
No, gachatu is request only.
In Pravesha book, there is only there is no pृच्छतात.
Okay, then we will remove this. I'll change it and share it with you. Then Atmanepadi we will do now. That's
But
what. Yes.
I think the tat is there, right? Actually, usage is there.
Oh, okay.
Because I think
Not in the book, Anilji.
not in the book, but if you see this, what you say, Shabdamanjari, right? In Shabdamanjari, it is both are mentioned.
Okay.
For Prathama Ekvachan and Madhyama Ekvachan, Bhavatat, Bhavatu, Bhavatat, Bhavatam, Bhavantu, Bhava, Bhavatat, Bhavatam, Bhavata, Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavame. So for Prathama and Madhyama, both Prathama Ekvachanam, Bhavatat is also there.
Okay.
No, if you feel it's a bit difficult, we will leave that part. Not to worry about.
Not difficult. Just trying to understand. Does they mean different or both have same meaning?
No, both same meaning only. As far as I know, it is same meaning only. Anyhow. Now, Atmanepadi.
Okay. Bhasha. Okay.
Ajay Mahoday.
Bhashyatam. Bhashyatam. It is Bhashyatam means speech, to give speech. Speak, okay.
Speak also, to speak.
To speak. Ramah Bharatam Bhashyatam. Ramah Bhratarau Bhratarau. No, yes, Bhratarau Bhashyatam.
Ramau, then don't say Ramau. You say Ramau or Bhratarau. They talk. That's what you are saying, no? They too talk. So Bhratarau
Bhashyatam.
Bhashyatam.
Bhashyatam. Bhrataraha Bhashantam.
Bhrata, Bhratarau, Bhrataraha.
भ्रातर सर भ्रातर भाषन्ताम त्वं त्वं इदानीं भाषस्व युवां इदानीं भाषथां यूयम् इदानीं भाषध्वम् अहं अहं भाषै आवां भाषावहै वयं भाषामहे.
So in the first sentence, Ramah, Bharatah,
Bharatam.
Both are Prathama Vibhakti.
Bharatam.
Like Parasmaipadi, here you are using Atmanepadi, that's all.
No, that is understood. The sentence Ram talks to Bharat, or Ram and Bharat talks.
No.
What is the meaning of the sentence?
Bhratara.
No, I used Ramah Bhrataram Bhashatam. Means Ram talk to the brother. It is not means it is like requesting Ram to talk to his brother.
Oh, okay. Ram talk to. So, okay. Because it is a request, right? So Ram.
Ram, please talk to your brother like that.
No, please talk to your. If you are saying, it becomes Madhyama Purusha.
Okay.
Tvam bhashasva. That's what you have to say, no?
That's what I was wondering. So yes. How is the sentence? What does the sentence mean actually?
Yes, I was waiting for that question. Yes.
Because otherwise, Rama should be in Sambodhana then, right? Ram.
No, I was speaking like Ram, please talk to your brother.
That becomes Madhyama Purusha. You.
Okay, sorry.
You talk to your brother. That's what you are going to
say. Yes. Okay, it can be like Ram.
Ramaha Lakshmanena Bhashatam. That you can say. Bharatena.
Ram.
Lakshmanena. So Tritiya Vibhakti.
Lakshmanena Saha Bhashatam.
Okay. Or Lakshmanat?
No. Panchami.
From Lakshmana?
Lakshmanena Saha. Lakshmanena Saha Bhashatam. That's the correct. No.
Because in Hindi it becomes Ram Lakshman se baat karo.
Lakshmanena Saha Bhashatam.
Lakshmanena Taha. So that's what Panchami, right? Taha I can use Lakshmanat then, right?
Saha, not.
Saha, it's not Taha.
No, why Panchami? If you want Chaturthi, it makes sense, right? Why?
No, Chaturthi will not come. He is talking with his brother.
But this is command, right? Yeah, so it has to be talk. Rama, talk with your brother.
With your brother.
Talk with your brother, that we understand. Lakshman and Tritiya, that is understood. I'm just trying to see, because maybe I'm not correct in the translation then, because Ram Lakshman say baat karo. Okay, Lakshman talk to. Right. So talk
Lakshmanena Saha Bhashatam. Let Rama talk.
Talk to and with is different, right? So
Lakshman ke saath, right?
No, that is one form. Another is talk with Lakshman and talk to Lakshman. They're two different forms, right?
If it is two, then it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti, right? Ramaha Lakshmanam Bhashatam. Two will be always Dvitiya Vibhakti. Go to school. Then Then it will be.
Then what Ajay Mahodaya used also makes sense, right? Then he also used Ditya.
That verb may not suit that here for Lydia.
Come again? I didn't understand.
The verb may not suit Vidya here. Not all verbs can be suited. See, he can say, let him beat Bharata. That is okay. But like when you speak, I think it ought to speak Vidya only.
Here, right usage of words would be Ramaha Lakshmanena Saha Bhashatam.
Saraswati Mahodaya, when you say two, isn't it Chaturthi Vibhakti?
No. For will be Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Ramaya Namaha is
Kind of for.
salutations for Rama. Oh, not to Rama?
Ramaha is a different one, right? It's a separate
Ramaya.
Give the, I mean, to basically for the boy. Give something for the boy. Basically, that's what it is. That way, it is easy to categorize it where it goes to. If you say two, whether you get confused with Vidya Vibhakti and Chaturthi Vibhakti. So I always, I don't want to translate in English because I either do it in Tamil or Telugu and then I change it.
Okay,
So,
we will go for.
So it can be like Ramaha Madhuram Bhasatam. Is that correct? Then Madhuram is in Dvitya, right? Then it is in Dvitya.
Madhuram. Yes, Madhuram.
Ramaha Katham Bhasatam. Speak the story.
Katham Bhashatam will not come. Bhashatam is see when you use Katha, it will be Kathayati, Kathayatu. Like
So
that.
I am trying to figure out that is a bhasa shabda. Is it like
It is like speak.
Sakara or Akara?
Speak.
Speak with Bharata.
Okay, we will
Is
go
Atmane
for
Padi for Vadati? Vad, right?
No, not like Vadat. Okay.
Vadati, right? Bhash is for Atmane Padi, also for Vadati, right?
So
Not for Vadati. Bhasha Dhatu.
So is it Sakarmak or Akarmak? Is it Sakarmak or Akarmak?
What is Sakarmaka or Akarmaka?
Sakarmak means it can use Kriya Pada. It doesn't have a Karma Pada. Sakarmak means it will be used with the Karma Pada. Akarmak means it won't be used with the Karma Pada. Like for example, Ramaha Patham Pathati. So Pathati is like Sakarmak because Patham can be used. Dvitya Vibhakti can be used with it. And Akarmak is like Uttishtati. Uttishtati we can't use. There is no karma. Hasati is a karma. What hasati? No what hasati? It's just hasati. So it is a karma there.
Okay.
That was in 47.
This is sakarmaka. This can be used. Bhasham bhashatam. That's how it will come.
Swadatam. Is it test?
Swadatam is taste. Yes.
Taste.
What it is? Taste?
You taste.
Okay.
Okay. So, Balakaha. Amraphalam. Swadatam. Balakaha Amraphalam Swadatam. Okay. Balakau Amrafale Swadatam. Balakaha Amrafalani Swadantam. Okay. Tvam Amraphalam Swadaswa युवाम आम्रफले स्वदेथाम यूयम आम्रफलानि स्वदध्वम. अहम आम्रफलम स्वदय आवाम आम्रफले फले स्वदावहे वही स्वदावहे
Vahai. Svada vahai.
वही वही. ओके. वयम आम्रफलानि स्वदामहे. So when I say aham falam swadai, so that means please
Shall I?
I want.
Shall I?
Okay, okay. Shall I taste? It's a request. It's more a request here.
Vandada vandeda mandanda. Bhaktaha devam vandadam. Bhakto devo vandedam. Bhaktaha devan vandandam. Kam devam vandasva. Yuvam devo vandedam. Yuyam devan vandadvam. Aham devam vande. Avam devo vandavahe. Vayam devan vandamahe.
Devam. Devam, devo, deva. Okay.
Devan devan.
Okay.
Krishna Mahathir, you did not say, right?
Oh, I thought nobody noticed.
No. You will be caught hold of.
Yes, ma'am. Ikshata. Ikshata. Ikshatam is to watch or to look.
To look.
Look.
To look. Balakaha. Balakaha pustakam ikshatam. Balakau pustakam ikshetam. I got only one book.
No problem.
Balakaha pustakam ikshantam. Tvam pustakam ikshantva. Yuvam pustakam ikshetam. Yuyam pustakam ikshatvam. Aham pustakam ikshai. Avam pustakam ikshavahai. Vayam pustakam ikshamahai.
Paddatam means?
Compete. Spardha.
Balakaha spardat. Balakaha patham spardatam. Right? Does that come? Complete.
Compete.
Compete, not complete.
Compete. Kridangane spardatam.
Kridangane. Yeah.
Balakah क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धतां. बालकौ क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धेतां. बालकाः क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धन्तां. त्वं क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धस्व. युवां क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धेतां. यूयं क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धध्वम्. अहं क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धै. आवां क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धावहै. वयं क्रीडाङ्गने स्पर्धामहे.
What is dadhatam?
Dadhatam, dadha dharane iti. To acquire or to to acquire only.
Okay.
To wear also. To wear something.
Ramaha वस्त्रं ददतां रामौ वस्त्रे दधेतां रामाः वस्त्राणि दधन्ताम् त्वं वस्त्रं दधस्व युवां वस्त्रे दधेत्थां यूयं वस्त्राणि दधध्वम् अहं वस्त्रं दधै आवां वस्त्रे दधावहै वयं वस्त्राणि दधामहे महै.
Dada is dadhate, right? Dadhate.
Huh?
The Atmanepadi Prathama Ekvachanam is dadhate, right?
That is Parasmaipadi. This is Atmanep Dadhatam.
ददताम्.
No. Let dadhate, right?
Dadhati.
Oh,
Dadhate, yes. Dadhate, yes.
Okay. I was seeing the meaning. Dadhate, it says give. I don't know
To
why.
give.
Hold on. Hold.
Dadhate says give. Dadhati is put.
Dadha. Oh.
And dadhati, it says put.
right. Dadhate Atmanepadi is give, to give.
That's
Give,
what it
hold.
says. And
Okay.
Hold also is there.
I told Rama to
Hold.
give dress. Clothes.
Good one.
Okay, Modatam.
Right?
Modatam. What is the meaning, Modatam?
Liking, I think.
Right.
Like, right? They like modakam.
Modatam.
I like
Mudaharshe.
Happy.
Yes.
What?
Enjoy.
I didn't understand.
Happy.
Happy, okay.
Enjoy.
Khushi.
Okay.
be merry, be happy, be delighted. And
Is that what
See, this Dadhatam has many meanings actually. To give, to show, then to carry, to hold. Dadhadharane. So that's what I was trying to say.
Dharati becomes like that, right? Dharati.
Yes.
बालकः क्रीडाङ्गणे मोदताम्. बालकौ क्रीडाङ्गणे मोदेताम्. बालकाः क्रीडाङ्गणे मोदन्ताम्.
The typing error. I'll correct it.
मोदन्ताम्.
so here, like we are ordering the kids to get delighted in the field, right? Okay.
त्वं चलचित्रगृहे मोदस्व. यूयं चलचित्रगृहे मोदेथाम्. यूयं चलचित्रगृहे मोदेध्वम्. अहं संध्याकाले मोदई. आवां संध्याकाले मोदावहै. वयं संध्याकाले मोदामहे.
Kurdatam. Kurda is jump, right?
Kurtadam, kurdantam. Balakaha, Sobanat, Kurtadam.
Permission on the my turn.
My turn. Your turn. Okay, okay. No, sorry. Go ahead.
धन्यवादः कूर्दतां कूर्देतां कूर्दन्तां कूर्दस्व कूर्देथां कूर्दध्वं कूर्दयि कूर्दावहि कूर्दामहि. Okay, so vanarah. Okay, I'll tell. Okay, what do you call that person who makes play of monkey play?
That I don't know. I have to search.
Okay, fine. So I'll then make simple sentence only.
Can you Vibhishaka for now?
Okay, Vanarah. Vanara. I can't order Vanara to jump, right?
You
Vanara.
can, right? A pet animal.
Okay. Vanarah. Fast is Sane and
Sigram.
Sigram. Vanarah Sigram Kurdatam. Vanare Vanarau Sigrau or Sigram only.
Shigram.
Rameva.
Vanarau Sigram Kurdetam. Vanaraha Sigram Kurdantam. Then Tom Sigram Kurdas. You jump. Okay. Yuvam Sigram Kurdetham. Yam Sigram Kurdadhvam. Okay. Aham Sanehe Kurdaye. Avam Sanehe Kurdavahe. Vayam Sanehe Kurdamahe.
Shanaihi Kurdamahi.
Padadam, Padedam, Padandam. Hardas, Padusva, Hadadam, Hadadam. Padai, Padavahe, Padamahe.
Hlada ityukte ahladam.
Pada.
What does it mean? Hlada.
Hlada.
Hala means happy.
Joy.
Happy? Oh, like Modata?
Huh.
So is this same root used in Prahlada?
Yes. Prahlada. Yes. Prahlada. He had 4 brothers, 3 brothers also. Prahlada. All of them will have Hlada. I don't remember those names.
These are, I think, Hadadam. There is no karma is not there. So, Balakaha, Hadadam, Balako.
You can say, of course, karma padam will not come with this.
So, Balakaha, Hadandam, Tvam Hadaswa, Yuam Padetham, Yuyam Hadadvam, Aham Hade, Avam Hadavahe, Vayam Hadamahe.
Langhatam. What is
Lang is
Langhatam?
cross.
Langhanam, cross.
Cross.
Langhatam, Langhetam, Langhantam, Langhasva, Langhetam, Langadhvam. Okay. Langhai, Langavahe, Langamahe.
Cross meaning angry?
No, two.
Cross.
Cross very well.
Oh,
Oh,
Hanuman Sagarollanghanam kritavan kila.
Okay.
Langhanam.
Nadi.
Okay.
Balakaha.
Nadim
Nadim langatam.
Balakah, oh, Balakah Nadim Langatam.
Khagaha. Khagaha, can say? No?
Khagaha, okay. Khagaha Nadim Langatam. Kaghau Nadim Langhetam. Khagaha Nadim Langhatvam. Langhantam. Langhantam, right? Langhantam. Tvam. Oh, he kaga, tvam langhatswa. Yuvam langhetam, yuyam langadhvam, aham langhai, avam langavahai, vayam langamahai.
Jrumbhat.
Batambi.
Jrumbha ityukte yawning. Jrumbhanam.
But what is the meaning of Vijrumbhanam? Vijrumba is like to.
That is with upasarga, the meaning changes.
Meaning change. Okay.
Batam. Balakah Jrumbhatam too. I cannot order.
Right, you have to order somebody to yawn.
Or I cannot request carry on.
Actually, Jrimbate also says open your mouth. Even that is fine. So you can tell that.
Okay. Jrumbhatam.
The dictionary says open your mouth also.
So we don't have to say anything, right? Just Jrumbhatam. Balakah Jrumbhatam.
You can say not to yawn. Ma Jumbratam.
Yes, that also you can say.
Balakah
Ma Jumbratam.
Jrumbhatam. Balakah ma Jrumbhatam. Balakau ma
Jrumbhetam.
Jrumbetam. Jrumbetam. Bhetam. Balakaha ma Jrumbantam. Tvam ma Jrumbatsva. Yuvam ma Jrumbetam. Tham. And Yuyam ma Jrumbadvam. Aham Jrumba? Jrumba. I'm not asking. Can I?
Aham na Jrumbhai. I'll not.
Aham na Jrumbhai.
Shall I not yawn?
Should I not? Should I not?
No, it could be. Shall I open my mouth?
Avam Jumba Vahai. Vayam Jumba Mahai. That was funny.
Dhavatam. So Balakah Spardham Dhavatam. Is that
Spardham Dhavatam na?
Run in the competition? What is?
Spardhe.
Oh, in the competition. Spardhe.
Or Spardhanath.
Spardhanath na.
Spardhe.
No, yes, Spardhanaya.
Marge Dhavatam.
Okay.
No, for, right? For, so Spardhanaya Dhavate. Or Spardhanartham Dhavate.
No, this is good. I'm okay.
Marge. Use Marge. That is
I'm good with Marge. Balakah Marge Dhavatam. Balakau Marge Dhavetam. Balakaha Marge Dhavantam. Tvam Marge Dhavasva. Yuvam Marge Dhavetam. Yuyam Marge Dhavadvam. Aham Marge Dhavai. Avam Marge Dhavavahai. Vayam Marge Dhavamahai.
Okay. Astu. And in this book, as I told you, in the 5th book, that's what was covered in that video, isn't it? So what else was there? Abhitaha Paritah, something was there, no?
Yes, abhitaha paritah ubhayatah.
Ubhayatah.
When it comes like Vasdhatu, if Abhi, Adhi comes along with Vasdhatu, then it will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Like Balakah Grihe Vasati, Grame Vasati, Nagare Vasati. But when you use that along with Adhi, Adhi Vasati, then it becomes Griham Adhivasati, Nagaram Adhivasati,
Adi
Gramam
means,
Adhivasati.
what does Adi mean?
Adi is Upasargam.
No, meaning is, what meaning does it?
Meaning doesn't change. He is there. He stays there.
Stressing in the same sentence, I guess.
So what is the difference you are trying to convey? I didn't understand.
Grihe Grame iti saptami kila.
actually.
That becomes Dvitiya when you use it with Adi.
He lives in the house only.
He lives in the house. Adhivasati.
Balakah Gruhe Vasati, Balakah Adi Gruhe Vasati.
Adhivasati.
Grihamadivasati.
Adi will come before the word.
Uh-huh.
Balakah Gruham Adhivasati.
Then
Ubhayatah.
Ubhayatah. For Ubhayatah, you will say Krishnam Ubhayatah Gopaha Santi.
All around.
Ubhayatah
Ubhayatah.
Ubhayatah.
Vrishani Santi.
Margam Ubhayatah Vrishaha.
What is
So you have to
Ubhayatah?
use Dvitiya Vibhakti. There also Gruham Ubhayatah or Gruhasya Ubhayatah.
Griham Ubhayatah.
What is Ubhayatah?
Yes.
Both sides.
Around
Both sides.
Both sides.
Both sides.
Ubhayatah. Ubhayatah. Paritah. For Paritah also you will get the same. Paritah is around.
Perimeter.
What is abhita?
Ubhayatah.
Abhayatah is both sides.
Ubhayatah.
No. Ubhaya is both.
Ubhayatah
Paritah
both
is
sides.
All around.
Around.
Around it.
around.
All sides.
Then abhaya
Krishnam
is
Paritah Bhaktaha Santi. Krishnam Paritah Bhaktaha Santi.
Okay.
Adi.
So what is the example of Ubhayatah?
Margam Ubhayatah Vrishaha Sandhi. On both sides of the road there are trees.
So what is abhitaha?
Abhitah, I think it is it's also around only.
Around, yeah.
Abhitaka, I think it is.
So
front, maybe.
abhita and paritah are synonyms. Paritah and abhita are around.
Abhida is also all sides, Purada is all sides. As per dictionary, it is same for all
Yeah.
sides. Or near also it is there. Both sides also it is there. So it is but whenever you use Abhidaha, Puradaha, Ubhayatah, use Dudhiya. That is the thing.
Okay. So this Dvitiya is for, so
For Stha Dhatu also. Stha is Tishtati is what the Kriya Padam, isn't it? For Stha Dhatu. There also Adhitishtati. If it comes with Adhi, then also it will be in Dvitiya.
okay.
So for this Adhi, you have to remember two things. One is Vas Dhatu. Second one is bhu dhatu.
Sadhatu.
Sorry, stha dhatu, not bhu. Stha dhatu and vas dhatu. When they two come along with adhi, then you have to use dvitiya vibhakti only. That is the rule. Okay.
So the sentence paritah. So Krishnah
Krishnam
paritah.
Krishnam paritah. Around Krishna, bhaktaha santi.
Sarkaram paritaha, pipilika sandi.
Oh, so karma pada becomes dvitiya vibhakti. That's what it is.
Not
So,
karma, Krishnam paritaha. Krishnam paritaha, tatra karma padam kim?
Karta is bhaktaha santi.
No, the usage of paritaha, when you use paritaha, it is around something now. That something else dvitiya.
Okay. Correct.
Gramam paritaha aranyani santi.
Aranyani santi. Okay. So that's what you said. Margam ubhayataha vrikshaha santi. Okay.
Nagaram ubhayataha nadyah, nadyau nadyah santi. That also is.
Ubhayataha, many rivers are there.
Many rivers are there. There are some places where many rivers join, isn't it? Like that.
Rail margam ubhayataha sthanakaha santi.
Vipanyaha santi. That also you can say. Okay. I think Anil Mahodaya and Krishna Mahodaya, Ajay, whoever has not registered for the exam, please do so. I'll share the document, what all the topics have been covered and what is yet to be covered.
Sent, right?
Huh?
Ajay Mahodaya had sent, right?
Huh? Have
Yes,
you?
I have sent. Yes, I have
Then
sent.
you too, please.
I did send it, but not sure whether I'll write or not. But
Yeah, you must. Don't say not sure. Go
Hey,
to
Anil,
the-
you said Anil. Anil is telling in January.
No, January. You do it now.
So,
You
but
can.
the problem was I checked with Saraswati Mahodaya. So the Hindi booklets I can't get from here. So I have to register online myself, and then maybe I can give exam together. Is that fine?
You do along with them. Don't worry about Hindi book, English book. You know all the answers. Only you are dodging for some other reason. That's all.
But the online means they have to only see the online exam. The online exam only they have to select the answer. No, they don't have to write anything.
Yes.
In case of
Mahodaya,
online,
you can always get the book from Sanskrit Bharati, Hindi book separately.
And this was not expected from you.
Not
Don't
very
say I can't write and all those reasons can't be accepted. Huh?
no, online exam you have to only tick. No, there is no writing.
No. There is writing, I think.
Writing will be there.
Online,
Online, I think what will happen is Haripriya Mahodaya will show the question paper and we need to write in the video conferencing only and then submit to them, right?
Same thing, how we took the midterm exam. Same thing.
yeah, like that. Okay. So what is the problem, Anil? You can write. This is not that they are going to test your knowledge and all, but just for fun.
Yeah, they're going to test, right?
No,
See,
don't
they
worry.
pass everybody,
Actually,
don't worry.
you are all pretty good and
is
all of you can score very well.
Propagation of Sanskrit, they will not fail you.
I confirmed
worried about-
him, will I be permitted to attend the next level whether I pass or not? He said yes. Then I don't care about the results. See,